Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see how to import navigation menu items using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. So this is the web page. Here we have all the menu items already. So we are going to customize the menu items. For this, from the dashboard, click Appearance, then go to Menus. In the menu list page, we will have all the pages, post, custom post, categories, and WooCommerce related data. From this list, we can select the menu item list. As per our requirement, we can customize the menu list. So this is the page I have already in my data. So let's see how to create a CSV file. First, menu title. We can give any name, any title name for our navigation menu item. Then menu item. This is menu item type. Here we have to mention post type. For multiple values, separate the values by comma separator. Next, menu item object. Here we have to mention the custom post or page types. If the menu item is from the post, we have to mention post. If it is from a custom post, we have to mention custom post. Then menu item object ID. Here we have to give the exact name of the menu item. If you are going to select the page, then we have to mention the page name in the CSV value. For multiple values, use comma separator. Next, menu auto add. To enable this function, please mention the value as yes in CSV file. Then primary and footer menu. If the menu item will have to display in primary menu, we have to mention the value as yes. So let's import the data. Go to Ultimate CSV Importer Pro. Selects the CSV file. Then we have to choose navigation menu under import each record as. Then click on continue. Then we will direct to the mapping section. Check all the fields are mapped properly. Then click on continue. Import the records. Now the data are imported. Let's check. So this is our CSV file data. All the values are imported properly. So let's check on the web page. This is the web page we have before import. Let's refresh. So this is our menu item. Hope this video helps you.